In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the array size function in Snowflake to effectively count elements within arrays and semi-structured data types like variant. Understanding the array size function is crucial if you're working with complex data structures and need to track the number of elements within them. This function offers a straightforward way of determining the size of arrays, whether they are structured arrays, like array number, or semi-structured, including those using the versatile variant data type. First, let's delve into the syntax of the array size function. It's fairly simple and consistent, regardless of the data type you're working with. All you need to do is input your array or variant within the parentheses of array size. When you use this function, you will be provided with an integer value that represents the number of elements contained in your array or variant. This is incredibly useful when you need to handle variable length data and are looking to manage or analyze collections of values dynamically. Now, when applying this function to structured arrays like array number, the array size function will count each number within the array and return that count. This can easily allow you to determine how many numbers or entries your array holds at any given time, which is especially helpful in database management and when executing SQL queries that depend on array length. On the other hand, when you're dealing with semi-structured data types such as variant, the method is just as straightforward. A variant essentially allows you to work with complex semi-structured data such as JSON. So, if you have a JSON object stored in a variant and want to know how many elements, like key value pairs, are contained in it, using array size will give you that number effortlessly. This can simplify tasks like data parsing or transformation processes, where knowing the size of your data helps inform your decision-making or next steps. By employing the array size function, you're enabling yourself to write more dynamic and robust scripts that can handle multiple scenarios and data structures. It's an incredibly versatile tool that contributes significantly to effective data analysis and management inside Snowflake. Whether working with structured or semi-structured arrays, the ability to quickly determine their size can guide you in optimizing storage and improving query performance. In summary, mastering the use of array size equips you with the ability to better control your data flow and management processes within Snowflake, turning what may seem like a complex task into something manageable and efficient. So as you engage further with database operations and analytics, don't forget to make use of the array size function whenever you're dealing with arrays and variants. It's simple, it's efficient, and it will undoubtedly enhance the way you interact with your data.